I'm Alja. So for today's video, we are going to learn adverbs of frequency in Slovenian. So let's just begin. The first one is always. So for always we say vedno. So let's say an example would be Zjutraj vedno pijem kavo. It means in the morning I always drink coffee. Alright, then let's continue with ponavadi. So ponavadi would translate to usually or normally. I can say ponavadi grem v službo z avtom. It means usually I go to work with a car or by car. Okay, so ponavadi, usually. Alright, then the next one is, in English, regularly. I hope I pronounced it correct. Can't really say it. And in Slovene we would say redno. So I can say, redno obiskujem tečaj ruščine. It means I regularly visit a class for Russian, so Russian class. Alright, awesome. And then the next one is pogosto. So pogosto means often. I can say, pogosto pomislim nate. It means I often think of you. And the next one is včasih. So včasih means sometimes. So an example, včasih poslušam jazz. Sometimes I listen to jazz. Right? And let's continue with occasionally. So we would say občasno. Občasno grem v fitness. So occasionally I go to fitness because usually I work out at home. And then the next one is redko. So redko means, bear with me, rarely. Just like regularly, really I can't pronounce these ones. And an example, redko kuham doma, ponavadi jem zunaj. So rarely I cook at home, usually I eat outside. Okay, awesome. And now we are at the last one, which is nikoli, so never. I can say, nikoli ne jem zajtrka, I never eat breakfast. Alright, that's it. These are all the words for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Ciao!